Hi, this is BRR. In this video, we'll discuss about anonymous method. What is anonymous methods in C Sharp, and what is the syntax of declaring anonymous methods, and like what is the purpose of the declaring anonymous methods in C Sharp. So the name itself suggests that anonymous method is a method without a name. So the method which is not having a name is called as anonymous method. Anonymous methods in C# can be defined using a delegate keyword and can be assigned to a variable of delegate type. So generally, we declare this anonymous methods using a delegate keyword. Also, we can access or assign the values to the variable of a delegate type. So this is the syntax of declaring or accessing of anonymous methods, and we'll see like how we are going to declare anonymous methods and accessing variables which are declared outside of function and passing a variables to the anonymous methods. Okay, it's like I'm going to define a function. Before that, as I told you, delegate kind of variable is the compulsory for uh, accessing and defining the anonymous methods. So I'm going to declare first delegate declaration, because this is the mandatory for anonymous methods. So I'm just declaring a delegate public delegate void, and I'm using that the print delegate name. I'm using it, and the variable I'm declaring is the integer type parameter I'm defining for the delegate. So now I'm going to define an anonymous method in this function, like how it is calling using this delegate. So we'll see now. So in this function, I'm just delegate variable I'm declaring print equal to. So I'm just defining a function with the help of delegate of int value. This is the function. It doesn't have a name here. Okay, and here I'm printing this value inside anonymous method value. Okay, now in this method I'm just calling print 100. Okay, so now see like how it is going to work. So what is the problem here? Just declare expected. Okay, and here the class is closing here, and this is about to static, it seems. And after this main method I'm just declaring this. What is happening? Public delegate. Okay, so we'll define this in outside if required. This, okay, if we can run this, and you can see like what is happening of calling this anonymous method. So it has been printed something. I think we didn't see because of it has been printed and gone away. So we'll declare this variable method read key to hold the control, and we'll see it has been printed 100 value. Because what it is happening is, if you look at the debugging and the trace, I mean the inside process. So I'm being declared anonymous method with the help of delegate keyword, and I'm just passing a parameter here and I'm printing this one, and I'm just calling this delegate using print of 100. This we call this function, and this function will execute and print this particular console statement. So this is how we are going to declare anonymous methods without name. Okay, anonymous methods can also be passed as a method that accepts the delegate as a parameter. Also, we can use the inside, I mean outside variables inside of your anonymous method. Let us say like I'm being I'm just declaring a variable here, int I equal to 20, and I'm just utilizing this function, same function, and printing here anonymous method equal to value in here, value plus equal to pi. So I'm just declaring this and running this, and you can see the output. It is 100, and after printing 100 and it is adding 20 value. Actually, I've been defined this outside of function, and I'm using this variable inside of my anonymous method, and later I printed the value after adding the original value. That way it is first printed 100 and then this is 120. So this is how we are going to use outside variables inside of your anonymous methods. And coming to the next one, like how can we pass this anonymous method like other methods to accept delegate as a parameter. So I will define one method, print helper method, which takes first parameter of the this here in the example print delegate parameter, and we'll see like how it is working out. So I'm just declaring a method here. Static public static void print helper method of print, it's a delegate, print into value. This is my method. So here value plus equal to adding some 10 value, and print del, the variable of type I mean declare something, console dot read key. Now you go and call this method after printing this print helper method of delegate of into value and here I'm just saying console right line of anonymous method of val. Okay, so val and comma 100. If we can run this will provide the output value. This is the previous example, and if you look at here anonymous method 110, because it has been printed 100 and 10 has been added here, that's why it has been printed 110. So this is how we are passing the anonymous method of the anonymous method as a parameter of the other method using a delegate keyword. So this is the delegate I've been used and passing this method and then printing the key, something like this. So this is how we are defining anonymous methods parameters, calling one function to another function. So hope you understand the the purpose and the declaration of anonymous methods using delegate keyword. So again, I'm telling you, this anonymous methods can't contain a jump statement like go to, break, or continue. It has to execute all the statements, and also it cannot access the reference or out parameters of an outer method, and also it cannot have or access unsafe code. And last one is it cannot be used on the left side of the is operator, so we have to use right side. So these are the limitations of this anonymous methods. And when you declare anonymous method, you have to ensure all these limitations. One thing is it does not contain jump statement, go to or break or continue, and you should not use this. Also, it cannot access reference or out parameter. Also, it cannot have access or unsafe code. Also, it cannot be used in the left side of the is operator. Okay, this is all about anonymous methods and how to access and how to define them in C#. Hope you understand this anonymous method declaration in C# and you enjoyed the video. So thanks for listening to this video. Please subscribe this YouTube channel for more videos on C#. Thank you.